When you want to upgrade Master C bot, just click the three lines on the right upper corner, then go to subscription. When you go to subscription, you see, then simply you click the upgrade, then you set the confine. That's all. Now you are on Master C bot, and the profit will be 3% every day with your account. If you have an account of $100, then every day with $3 you gain $3. So be happy with this Master C bot. It is related with cryptocurrencies, Ethereum and Bitcoin. So it is a lot of profit compared with the Genius bot. I think you get the point. Just click the upgrade and just confirm it. That is all. The next day you will be the Master C bot and your trades will be BTC and Ethereum. Thank you. So you see the amount available, it's almost 56 million investors. The investors who follow for Master C bot is 28,000 within 1 week. So this is a 50% profit in a month, and no fee subscription. If you have a previous account, a previous bot, if you have a previous Genius bot, you will not need to have a subscription. But if you are in new, you have to pay $60 subscription fee. But now it is zero. If you have another account, or if you have a Genius bot, just you say upgrade. That's all.